Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to download and install the MX Player Pro on your Android TV without using the download application. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if on your Android TV you want to install if you want to install the MX Player without using download that, the best option is using the APK time. Now, also you might be wondering, how do you install APK time without using download that? It's very simple. In the description of this video, I've added a guide that's going to help you to install APK time to your Android TV. So please watch the guide and install APK time. Once you're done, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how it should look like. Once you launch it, come on to the option that says players and browsers. That's where we are going to find the MX player. So you browse to the bottom, you are going to see the MX player somewhere here. So there are two options. There's a 32-bit and there's a 64-bit. You have to choose the one that's compatible with your device. If you don't know which one is compatible, then install the 32-bit because it works on both devices. So here's the application. All you need to do is click download and it's going to download, and then you are going to install to your Android TV. It's as simple as this. Find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.